So our topic for today is battery. Have you heard of the word battery with regards to chess? Not regular batteries. No. So battery is basically when two pieces are lined up in the same direction. So if there's a queen and rook on the same line, we call it a battery. If a queen and bishop are on the same diagonal, we call it a battery. So in this position, where is our battery for white? Yes, Shrenik?
Sir, the bishop on c2 and the queen on d3.
Yeah, this is a battery, right? They're both together.
Sir, but the
They're
pawn
both.
on e4 is blocked.
Yeah, we'll get there. So right now there's a battery here, and they are both looking in the same direction. Right now we have to make use of that battery. How can we make use of this battery? If you're white, what move can we play? Yes, Shrenik?
Sir, pawn to e5.
You'll push the pawn. Won't the bishop take it?
Sir, then you can move queen to h7 and check.
Yeah. So we basically push our pawn, opening our battery, opening the potential of this bishop and queen. We are about to give checkmate. What if they stop the checkmate? How can black stop the checkmate? Rayansh, can you find out if you're black, what should black do to stop this checkmate from happening? If somebody is about to give checkmate, what should we do?
Sir, pawn to g6.
Okay, Yara, if you are black, will you play pawn g6, stopping the checkmate? Is that a good move? Yeah. So g6 is almost the only move here, right? Black will play g6. Guys, those who are coming in, please do not make noise. We are having the class right now. So after g6, now what should white do? What's the next move? Yes, Shrenik?
Sir, kill the bishop. on
Capture the
d6.
bishop. Exactly, we take the piece. So how did we get this free piece? So for those who just came, our topic for today is battery. Do you know what a battery is?
Battery is putting battery.
No, not that. In chess, what a battery is? Yes, Varnika.
It's when pieces are lined up.
Exactly. When pieces are lined up and they're looking in one direction, it's called a battery. So we have this battery here. So now the winning move that these guys told was push the pawn forward. It's a free pawn, but if bishop takes it, what will we do?
The
Varnika?
knight will take.
Knight takes it, who will take back? If bishop takes it, we have something else. That's why we played it. Yes, Varnika?
Queen to d7.
h7. Right? Here. Yeah. So we push the pawn with the idea of giving checkmate. So when you have a battery, the pieces become, their powers get combined.
Queen to d7.
h7. She meant h7. Can't go to d7. d7 is not possible. Right? So pawn e5, when you combine two pieces in a battery, they become more powerful. Their powers get combined. So here it's a big battery of queen and bishop. And if the bishop takes the free pawn, we're not going to take back. That's not the point. We're going to give checkmate. That's how we use a battery. We line up two pieces and then we let the piece go forward. Let's look at another position. I'll make a small change in this position.
So why are the bishops like that? Sir?
Why not? Why can't the bishops? What happened to the bishops? Pieces move, Damni. Pieces can move. So this is a normal position. Okay, one second. Now let me give chance to Damini, Rayansh and Yara. Can you find out the best move for white in this position? What can we do? What did we learn from the previous position?
Sir,
Yes, Damini.
queen e5.
How can queen go to e5?
No, pawn e5.
Exactly. Same thing as last one. No difference. You still have the same battery.
And
The bishop and queen are separated by one square, but then still, one
Then
second.
you have to
No talking, please. When I'm explaining, please be quiet. So you have the same battery here with the bishop and queen. So we do the same thing. We unblock the battery. So we push e5, and if the queen takes it, first of all, knight will take back. What if bishop takes knight? Now
then we'll
who
make the checkmate.
is it? Queen here? That's a free queen.
Uh,
There's a knight sitting there. We have to keep our eyes open. Well, one second, let everyone decide first, have a good look. Because you're playing fast, you're making blunders. Instead of giving checkmate, we're losing our queen. So take your time and then try to find out what to do here. He just took our knight. What is our next move? Okay, Yara?
White pawn to F.
Yeah, we take the knight. We can't play queen and so knight to take it. So we take the knight. And when they take, the queen is attacked. So they'll take back. And when they take back, Rayansh, what shall we do?
Checkmate.
What move? What's the move you'll play? Which piece to which square? Then why did you say checkmate? One second. Rayansh, you can tell the move. Tell me which piece to which square.
Queen to H7.
Yeah, we move the queen to H7 and it is checkmate. So the power of a battery is very high. You keep two pieces together, they become very powerful. Let's look at the next position.
So you have lots of plants?
Plants?
Yeah.
What plants?
Flower.
Oh, plants, yeah. My wife keeps them.
One can't understand the plant. Little flower, you understood. There's another Shivan sir also, right?
Sorry?
There's another Shivan sir also.
Other Shibin sir? I don't know any other Shibin sir. In Greenwich?
Sorry, talking about the last class he came.
That was me only. Who else? You came here only, na? I am just wearing specs, that's all. No difference. It's still the same me.
He's getting ideas of you. He's getting confused.
Yeah, once.
Plus, you didn't wear glass that time with
No, he just joined 3 classes back, no? So still hasn't seen me much. Who has come with a bag?
I don't know the names. Pranich. Oh, Pranich. Petite. It's easy to why are you seeing your phone?
To keep the position. I'm not going to get positions out of thin air. I have to keep the position that is relevant to the topic we are doing.
So you would think that the best view is that, but actually this.
Yeah, okay. If we can see from far, then if you're tall enough, then you can see from there. I suppose.
What did I miss?
You missed the battery. Our topic is battery. We looked at 2 positions involving a battery.
Hello.
You know what a battery is, no?
Hello again,
Okay.
Alexa. Like what's called
Yeah.
queen and rook and stuff like that.
Yeah, queen and rook or queen and bishop.
Yeah, like
Any 2 pieces lined up in the same direction.
Correct.
Knight and queen cannot make a battery.
Correct.
Because knight looks in some other way, queen looks in some other way. So if 2 pieces that look at the same place, they can form a battery.
Sir, can there be like a quadruple battery? Like
4 pieces.
like
No,
yeah,
no.
4 pieces.
Maximum 3 because 1 second, silence guys, what is going on here? See,
Queen, rook, and
that's 3.
bishop.
Bishop cannot go straight. See, if there are pieces that can go in the same way, you can form a battery with that. So queen and 2 rooks you can put in the same file.
Okay.
And bishop and queen you can put in the same diagonal. You can't form a battery with 2 bishops. Because
If
look,
we do that, then
yes.
Sir, sir, what if you promote a pawn here?
Then you will have 1 more queen and then you can form a 4
It will be
4
easy
piece
then.
battery. But then you don't need a battery to win. If you have an extra queen, you can win by just going and giving
Yeah,
checkmate.
give check.
Yeah.
Check.
Okay. 1 second, we just need a knight.
It's
And a pawn.
black pawn and white pawn.
Black pawn.
Black has more pieces.
Okay, so that is our next question. In this position, my first question is, who is winning? Whenever I ask you who is winning, you usually look outside the board to see how much piece he has got, how much piece you have got. No, you look at the board and find out who is winning. So in this position, who is in a winning position? What is white up by or what is black up by? You've decided. You look properly. Who is winning?
Sir, white is up by a rook.
White's up a rook. That's a good question. That means a rook is missing. 1 second.
Sir, black
No, there's a rook here. Sorry. This is the position. Yeah,
Sir,
this is the position.
White is And white is up by knight.
Black is up a knight, says Rayansh. What is Damini saying?
White is up by a bishop.
White's up a bishop. Varnika?
White is black is up a knight.
Black is up a knight. Okay. Yes, Praneeth?
Equal.
It's equal, says Praneeth. Shrenik and Yara, what do you think? Who's winning? Earlier you said black is up a rook. Now I kept a rook. So what is the situation right now? People are saying it's a knight up or it's
No,
a
black
bishop.
is
What?
up.
No, you already decided. I'm asking Shrenik.
So black is up by a
Black is up a pawn, says Shrenik. Yara, what do you think? Who's up? Is white winning or is black winning? Who has
Or
more?
equal.
Yeah, who has more pieces? Equal. Okay, so Praneeth and Yara are saying it's equal. Now the reason why some of you are saying white is a bishop up is because white is a bishop and black has no bishop. That is not how you compare pieces. First you compare the queens. Black has a queen, white has a queen. Equal. How many rooks are there for black?
Two.
How many for white?
Two.
That's equal. Now next, don't compare knight to knight and bishop to bishop. Compare minor pieces, minor pieces. Knights and bishops are minor pieces. So how many minor pieces white has got? White has how many minor pieces? Two. A bishop and a knight. Two. How many minor pieces black has got?
Two.
Then how is black up a piece or white up a piece? It's equal. So don't compare bishop to bishop and knight to knight. White has got two pieces. Black has got two pieces. That is equal. White is a bishop, black is a knight. That's same. And now pawns. White has got 7 pawns. Black has got 7 pawns. 7. It's 7. So it's equal. Completely equal position. Now we come to the position. Who has a better position here? Whose position is better? Material wise it's equal. Whose position is better? Like whose pieces are in better positions? Whose king is more safe? All that if you compare, you can decide who has a better position. Yes, Shrenik?
White.
Why do you say white's position is better? Because of which piece or pieces?
Because the rooks and rooks battery.
Yeah, the rooks have formed a battery on the open file. Rooks belong on open lines. So there is already a battery of rooks ready to strike on the c file. And this bishop is very active. There's a pin. There's a pin on this knight. This bishop has pinned the knight.
So the pin, if the knight moves, then the bishop will take.
No, that's why it's a pin. Right? If the knight moves, they lose the queen, so it's a pin.
See,
Yes.
look, pretend there's another hand here. If that hand moves, quickly.
Yeah. What is Shrenik saying?
Sir, the rook can take the knight on c6.
If you want to lose your rook, definitely you can. That is why we need to first look at what is happening. Seeing overall who is better is good enough, but it's not good enough to make a move. To make a move, we have to calculate, see what's happening. So what is the best move here for white? That's yes, Rayansh?
Sir, bishop to c6.
I take back, that's equal. Just an exchange. If you see, when you exchange of this, I'll take back. Now, did it help your position?
No.
No, you removed your pin. You had a nice pin on the knight. The pin is not there anymore. You helped this knight come to a better place. So exchanges are usually bad for the side who's exchanging. So it's better to not do this. It's better to keep the pin as it is. If you simply exchange, your whole advantage goes. So this pin is there. Now you have to try to maximize that pin. Use this pin. This knight is attacked how many times? White is attacking this knight how many times?
3 times.
3 times. Bishop, rook, rook. And this knight is defended how many times?
3 times.
By rook, knight and queen. 3 times, right? So we need to add a 4th attacker on this knight. How can we do that? Who can be the 4th attacker? Which piece can join in the attack on this knight? Now it's 3-3, so it will be,
Sir,
yeah.
Pawn.
How will pawn join the attack?
d5.
How will d pawn go forward?
No. Black.
How can black attack black's knight? You are trying to attack this knight, no? So how can black be asked to attack black's knight?
Saving us.
Yeah, not saving. We are looking from white side. We are trying to put more pressure on this knight. So which piece, not in one move, maybe in 2 moves, which piece can join the attack on this knight? Yes, Yara?
Queen.
Exactly.
Yeah.
We got to bring our queen in. The queen is not doing anything. Big things are happening here and queen is now out of the play there. You got to bring the queen into the game. So, yeah.
He's in vacation.
Yeah, the queen is just staying there at home. So you need to bring it out. So how can we join the queen also in the attack? Yes.
So first queen to d3.
Queen to d3 and then?
And then queen to c2.
Excellent. That's a good plan. Now even better would be, see this is, one second. No, if your queen is ahead of the battery, you can't take. So I'll show you why. Imagine the queen is coming in front of the battery.
Sir,
One second.
so the pawn
One sec. Yeah, pawn can take it. Imagine a situation like this, where the queen is ahead of the battery. Now you have 4 attackers, but when you take, I'll take back, and you can't take. If you take with the queen, you lose your queen. When you again take, queen won't take. So if you play this, you just lose your queen. And if you again take, they won't take. They will say, I don't want to take your rook. I'm up a queen. Why should I give you my queen? So the queen should not be in front of the battery. The best place for a queen will be to be behind the battery. So let's go back.
Or
We
up
were-
the middle.
Middle is okay, better than being in front. But back would be even better. For the reason we just saw.
Sir, then
So
I
knight here,
I move.
bishop here, and this knight was here.
Sir, I move that.
Yeah, so Strenik's plan was good. Queen d3, queen c2 was good. But what can be better? Yes, Praneeth.
Rook c2.
Yeah, rook c2, and then what's the plan?
Queen c1. Queen c2.
Yeah, that's it. So once you're able to do this, so after rook c2, let's say black plays rook c7. Right? Why is black play rook c7? When you bring your 4th attacker, black will bring his 4th defender. So he's not going to give in. If he does not bring a 4th defender, you will take. So now you will play queen c1. And now black brings a 4th defender. Still you can't take. If you take, it's just equal.
Again.
So how do we bring a 5th attacker?
What?
You have 4 pieces. The knight can't really come anywhere useful. To attack, you'll have to come here or here or here. But those squares are already taken by pawns. So knight can't join.
Covering.
Yeah. So the knight can't join in. So which piece can be used now? Now you have to look at pawns. Which pawn can we use to attack this knight?
Sir, 2 moves, right?
Yeah, 2 moves is fine. We have to just make a plan. Middle game is all about planning. Yes.
Bishop f4.
Bishop f4. a4.
A4.
Okay. You want to move the bishop with the plan of?
Pawn b5.
Exactly. Now we have 3 attackers. Shall I get water for you?
Yeah, I need water.
1 second. I'll give water to him. Okay, so that was a very good plan by Praneeth. Please pay attention here, Varnika and Damini. He is adding a 5th piece, but that blocks the bishop. But the thing is, after b5, let's say black makes some normal move. Now when you play, now we'll
Sir,
play.
there are 2 batteries.
Yeah, black has this battery, white has got this battery. We have a 3-piece battery. So we are putting more pressure, right?
4 pieces.
Yeah, that's not a battery. See, we are attacking with 4 pieces, but the battery is with 3 pieces. Bishop is not part of the battery. Battery is when few pieces are lined up in the same direction. So these 3 are looking at one side. So it's a battery. Now what's the next step? Yeah.
Pawn b5.
Yeah. Now the problem for black is this knight's pinned. If it moves, what happens? There was a pin like this, but that's no longer there. But there's a pin in another way.
You take the knight.
Yeah, you take the rook. You have 3 pieces here. He has only 2 defenders, which means we just take. We just take the piece. So how are we able to do this? If they take back, we can take back. So we got a free rook.
Then queen will not take.
Yeah, if queen takes it, we'll take the queen. So that means once we form this, 1 second.
Oh, sir.
Careful.
Sir, you have the audio thing now.
What happened?
I did this thing. I forgot. I didn't even see. Alexa.
What thing?
This thing.
Oh yeah.
Alexa.
Okay, let's come back here. So the problem for black is
Don't know that.
there is a pin on this line.
Yeah.
Please pay attention here, Damini and Varnika. So if you see there are 3 pieces here, just 2 defending this. 2 defending this rook. So now the knight will not move. If the knight moves, they lose a rook. Right? So knight won't move. Please sit down, Praneeth. The knight won't move, which means if the knight won't move, we'll just take the knight. So we are able to get a piece by forming a battery. Here we also... Yeah, they will not take with the knight. Can they take? If they take, we'll take. Yeah, they will not take. Because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 attackers.
Yeah. Then
So they-
if we take also, the queen will not.
Yeah, so they will probably move their queen somewhere safe. Like here. So we are up a piece and we are going to win. So this setup of two rooks and a queen behind is called Alakaine's gun. Alakaine's gun is a battery that former world champion Alakaine did in his game. So from then it's called Alakaine's gun. So this is a very nice idea. The queen goes behind the two rooks and forms a triple battery, and the power of all three pieces combine, and we just strike on the open file.
It's like a snake.
Yeah.
It goes like this and straight.
Okay, let's go to the next position now.
So like the rook is pointing at the rook with the gun.
Yeah, on the c file.
It's biting a small snake. Sir, won't it kill many pieces away?
Sorry?
Won't it kill many pieces in a way?
I mean, that you can't do in chess, you can only take one piece. Okay, next position.
Sir, when will you teach variations again?
What variations? You mean, the variants.
Yeah, variations.
Variants, we will do it very rarely.
Damn it, they only went for one class.
In the summer, we will be doing variations. In the summer camp and
But
everything.
summer I not do
Okay,
Sir, March 30th the school is ending.
okay.
March 28th my school is ending.
My exams are starting. I don't know.
For me
when they are.
28th. For me April 3rd.
So why did I come here? I have my exam at like Monday.
April 3rd we don't
It's
have
a
any
difference. I have my exam on Monday. What am I doing?
No, for March. March of the explain for me because what is money? April and May. 22 days for my last working day.
Please be quiet, guys.
Oh, it's.
I'm setting the position. Please wait before the position.
Sir,
Once the position
take
is
us
set.
to sir. You're taking so long. Take us to
They castle.
What do you think, Damini? You can see the position and understand what is happening.
Castle.
Damini, please sit in your place. You can try to see what happened by looking at the position. So those things you have to figure out by looking at the position. One bishop. Okay, so this is our position. First question is, who is winning? Take your 1 minute and then we will discuss. So no talking now. Pranit, please sit down. No talking at all for 1 minute. I want everyone to say correctly this time. Who is winning and by which piece or pawn is any side winning? No talking at all. No need to raise hands now. After 1 minute we will discuss. Now is the time to decide properly.
Ah.
Okay, how many of you decided? Okay, let's start with Varnika.
Queen.
What is the question?
L.
You don't even know what the question is? Question is who is winning, not what's the next move. Okay, Damini.
Black is upper pawn.
Black is up a pawn, says Damini. Rayansh.
Black is up by bishop.
Black is up a bishop, says Rayansh. Shrenik.
Sir, white is winning.
White's winning by what? What piece is white up by? What is white up by? Why do you say white's winning? Then how do you say white's winning? I'm not asking the move. I'm asking you on the board, based on what is there, who is up material.
Sir, black.
What is black up by? Black's up a pawn. Yara?
Up 2 pawns.
Black's up a 2 pawns, you're saying. Okay. Yes. Praneeth?
It's equal.
Okay. So what is with everybody here? Why have we just need to look properly. We did the same exercise 5 minutes back.
Sir,
No?
I did like this.
No. Yeah. Queen. Then
Rook.
what rook?
Rook.
So that's same. Then
Then I did bishop and knight.
bishop and knight. How?
Bishop, knight, bishop.
Then why did you say black is up a piece? You said black is up a bishop. How is black up a bishop?
No, I told black is up a pawn.
Oh, you told black is up a pawn. Okay. Rayansh told black's up a bishop. Black has got 2 pieces, 2 minor pieces. White has also got 2 minor pieces. So how is black up a piece? This is what we have to do correctly. See, queen, queen, same. Silence, silence. Two rooks, same. Now minor pieces. White has got two minor pieces. And black has got two minor pieces. So where is the extra piece that black has got? Black is not up by any piece. Now Stenik made the same mistake of counting pawns wrongly.
Yeah.
Just 6 pawns each. How are you saying 2 pawns are for black?
No, 1 pawn. Black has 7 and 6.
Where is 7 pawns for black?
So I
1,
didn't
2,
think that the
3,
bishop
4, 5, 6.
Where is 7?
3, 4, 5, 6.
So it's just about counting properly, comparing properly. So this position is equal. Only Praneeth told the correct answer. It is completely equal. The position is completely equal based on material. Now, there is no battery right now, correct? No two pieces are lined up right now.
So, but
Yeah.
queen.
Which queen, queen?
Queen and queen are.
That is opponent's queen. You can't form a battery with opponent's queen. That is their queen, na? How can we say that's a battery? Yes, Rayansh?
Sir, there is a battery.
Where?
Bishop pawn pawn.
Pawn, can the pawn go that way? To have a battery, they should be looking in the same direction. One can only go one step. Pieces that can go long will form a battery. Like rook, bishop, queen. These are the only 3 pieces that can go long. Only they can form a battery. No other piece can form a battery. Battery means they should be able to go in one direction. So if there is a queen here, then that's a battery. So pawn and bishop is not a battery. Now, let's understand how can we form a battery on this king. If you see this position, bishop is already looking at this diagonal. Is there any chance?
This wall.
Is there any chance we can bring the queen also into the game?
Sir, you have to sacrifice.
How?
Knight to c6.
Knight to c6. What will happen after that?
Pawn takes.
And then?
Then queen goes and
To-
queen takes up.
Okay, is it worth it? Is it worth sacrificing a piece? It's worth it.
Yes.
So we're going to give up a piece.
Sir, because there will be checkmate on e8.
Checkmate on 8 and they can't stop it. If they cannot stop it, then it's worth it. So that's a very good idea by Stenik. Knight c6 check. Knight is attacking the king and queen. It's a fork. So they have to take it. And when they take it, now suddenly the battery is formed. How? Rayansh?
Knight to c6.
How do we form the battery? Why did we give up the knight? What's our next move for white?
So,
Can
Wait,
I
wait.
get-
One person has asked a question, so others please be quiet. We gave up a knight, they took it. Now what's the point? Why did we give up the knight? Why did Stenik give up his knight for free? To do what exactly?
to checkmate.
How? What's the next move for white?
Bishop
Hmm.
kills the pawn.
Then where is checkmate going to happen? I'll just
Queen
play something like
takes
bishop
the
here and the game goes on. So that is not going to give checkmate. Yes, Damini?
Queen takes.
Yeah, we have to take with the queen. Form a battery now. Instead of just taking with the bishop with one bishop looking there, have 2 pieces combine their powers. Now it's a strong battery.
So can I like one more form of checkmate?
One move forward.
No, one more form of checkmate. Can I?
How? How will you give checkmate?
No, in the back when.
In the starting position.
for starting position.
Oh, here.
Yeah. Knight.
You. Hmm.
Knight takes pawn.
You want to sacrifice here. The problem with that is, first of all, I can just take your queen. You will take back. And then I'll take your knight. You won't have a queen. You can't take, no, your king is there. So you lose a piece. Your idea is, if bishop takes, you want to play queen g6, is it? What do you want to do?
Yeah, queen is.
Queen g6. I can defend. I can just play queen g3 and you're down a piece. So that is just a threat. You're making a threat which I defended. And now there's no mate, you lost a knight.
Yeah.
So that wouldn't work for that reason. So let's go back. So we have to make things forcing. In this position, it's a good try, but we don't have time to do all that because he'll take our queen first thing. So we need a queen also in the battery. So we start with a check, like Stenik told. Pawn takes it, and now we unleash our queen. And our threat is, Yara, what is white threatening to do? By going to which square with the queen? How are we going to give checkmate? Yeah, we are threatening queen a8 and there's no defense.
Yeah.
Here the difference is there's no way black can defend the checkmate. If they play bishop here, we'll just take the bishop and that's checkmate.
Also the queen can take the
Queen here, wait. Oh, this.
Yeah.
That's the best they can do, but then we are a queen
But
up
then
and
the pawn will take it.
yeah, pawn or queen will take it and we are up for queen and that's an easy win. So there's basically no defense here for black. He'll have to give up his queen or get checkmated, and that's the power of this battery.
So
So you
probably he'll take the bishop, right?
yeah, or he'll resign. The most likely result is they'll resign here because there's no defense. If they want to see if you can win from a queen down, queen up position, then they'll play on. But when you go higher in level, they'll probably resign here. So this is the power of a battery. You are able to win this game because of a battery like this. A queen and bishop battery on the same diagonal can be very powerful. So if there's a battery here, imagine a position like this. So you have to block that battery. So if you have a situation like this, a normal position, if there is a battery looking at your king, if you're defending, you have to block that battery. How? If you're black, what can black do here? Yes,
Queen d4 for d5. Sorry.
that's a free piece. Queen takes it, bishop takes it, I'll take back. That's not defending, you lose a piece. Yes, Damni?
Pawn c6.
Yeah, just pawn c6. Now the battery is looking at rock. They are not able to do anything useful. So this is how you deal with the battery. You block that diagonal or the file. File difficult to do, but diagonal you can
Why
block.
is for MS Paint?
We are talking about chess right now. So right now we focus on chess. So file is an open file like this. That you cannot block with the pawn. But diagonals you can block by just moving pawns forward. So now let's start our